Welcome back office executives. In this particular Excel video we will be jamming up VLOOKUP with transpose. So whenever we are using VLOOKUP over a set of data, if the table VLOOKUP, so the data comes horizontally, but if we are suppose we need the data to be shown in a horizontal manner, the data comes horizontally, I want the data to be shown in vertical manner. So something like, if I'll be giving the employment ID in here, so I'll be using the code equal to VLOOKUP. So the lookup value would be the employment ID, the unique reference over which the data would be searched for. So instead of selecting the table, what I can do is that I can just press Ctrl A to select whole of the table and give it a name. So maybe EMPKOL, employment Kolkata employee, EMPKOL, and hit enter. Fine. So now what I will be doing is that I will be searching over this lookup value, that is the employment ID, and the table ID is EMPKOL. Nope, it's not coming up. Okay, so let me check one more time. EMPKOL, yeah. So equal to VLOOKUP, this is the lookup value, and the table array is EMPKOL. Somehow it is not showing up. Let's check what value it fits in, then we will be changing it. So column index is the maybe I'll be fetching the name, so 1, and then false for the exact match, braces close, and hit enter. So now if I give a employment code, maybe 1102, no, it's not coming. So I need somehow EMPKOL is not coming up. So okay, so I think I have found what mistake I am doing. I am working over final Excel, so that's not the sheet. This will be the sheet. Let me just zoom it, make it full screen, and then I'll be going to the view and then new window, yeah, and then I'll be clicking the VLOOKUP learn, and then I'll be going to the view, arrange all, and then vertical. Fine. Now we won't be having any issues. So let me press Ctrl A and give it a name, that is EMPKOL, EMPKOL. Hit enter. So 1102. So 1 is the employment ID. For the name section, I need to give the column reference number won't be 1, it would be 2. So 1102 is Mira. Now I want the data that I will be giving here the employment ID, but they should be just in this way. The data won't just come up here in, that is vertically. So instead, if I just selected these two cells, and after 2, maybe if I had given another value, curly braces, 2 comma 3, curly braces close, comma, then Control Shift Enter. So the data is coming horizontally. I want the data to be shown vertically. How to do so? So let me select all of these cells, then I will be using the function transpose. What it does is that it changes the rows to column and column to rows. Now I will be using the function VLOOKUP, and it is searching over this value 1102, and within the curly braces, let me just, for the name we will be having 2, and for district we will be having 3, for basic we will be having 2, 3, 4, 5, and for a number of days we will be having 2, 3, 4, we will be having 4. Let me close the braces, comma, give 0, braces close, yeah. Now let me hit Control Shift Enter. Okay, so value, fine. So 1102 B5, yeah, it's B5, 2354, 2354. Okay, so it's not coming up, it is showing value. So 2354, lookup value 2354, 1 2 3 654. Okay, so VLOOKUP B5, and where is the table array? There should be a table array. The table array is emp call. So here it will be emp call. Now I need to press Ctrl Shift Enter. Yeah. So Mira Birbhum 620023. Let me check in here. Yeah, Mira 1102 Birbhum. So let me give another value, maybe 1528. Let's see if the value is changing or not. 1528. Hit enter. Choyon, Kolkata 7600 and 80. Yeah, it's coming. So before ending the video, let me again show what I did. I used the transpose function. So VLOOKUP, inside VLOOKUP I used within the curly braces whatever column reference number I am using. This is known by the name of array reference, array value. So I am using array reference within the VLOOKUP section, VLOOKUP, to populate data of not only one column but several columns, but they would be coming, in general they would come horizontally, not vertically. So to change the horizontal data to a vertical section, I am using the function transpose. Now this is a nice looking sheet. We can just print this section, print this area. So home, and then we can go to simply file and then print, and from the print section print selection. Yeah, so this is a selected print. So in this way we can populate, use VLOOKUP along with transpose to convert vertical data, the data which is horizontally, the value which is coming horizontally, we can change it to vertical one. So that's all for this video. See you again for some other video. Thanks for watching till end.